In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on American Airlines. Start by opening your web browser and searching for American Airlines. Click the official result that leads to aa.com. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your account. If not, you can continue as a guest. Being logged in can save time by autofilling your traveler details and storing preferences. On the homepage, choose the trip type that fits your plan. Round trip, one-way, or multi-city. Pick what matches your itinerary. If you plan to pay with AAdvantage miles instead of cash, check the option to book with miles so you'll see award availability and pricing in miles rather than dollars. Next, enter your departure city, destination, travel dates, and the number of passengers. When everything looks right, click Search. On the results page, take a moment to browse options. Compare departure and arrival times, total travel duration, and any layovers. Pay attention to connection airports and minimum connection times to ensure you're comfortable with the schedule. When you've found flights that work, choose the fare tier that best fits your needs. Basic economy usually offers the lowest price but is more restrictive. You typically can't make changes and your seat may be assigned at check-in. Main cabin provides more flexibility, often includes a carry-on bag, and allows free seat selection. Premium economy, business, and first class add extras like priority boarding, larger or more comfortable seats, and additional checked bags. Continue to the traveler information screen and enter each passenger's exact legal name, date of birth, and gender exactly as they appear on a government-issued ID. Small mismatches can cause issues at check-in, so double-check spellings. If you're a member, enter your AAdvantage number to earn miles and loyalty points on the booking. If you have TSA PreCheck, add your 9-digit known traveler number in the Secure Traveler section so your benefits apply to this reservation. On the seat map, select your seats. Some selections may have fees, especially in basic economy or for preferred locations, so review any price differences before confirming. You can also add extras, such as prepaid checked bags, in-flight Wi-Fi, or trip insurance if they make sense for your trip. Before paying, carefully review your flight dates, times, layovers, and passenger names. Then enter your payment details using a credit card, debit card, or gift card. If available for your itinerary, you can choose to hold the fare for up to 24 hours, or select Pay Now to finalize your purchase. And that's it. Your American Airlines booking is complete.